The youth from Shawelo in Ward 12 marched to the local councillor's office this morning to hand over a memorandum outlining their grievances. They say the shortage of job opportunities is worsening poverty and frustration among young people. The protesters are calling for immediate action to address rising unemployment in the area.
Bamashele ihhovisi lekhansela abantu abasha bakuwa 12 eShawela abathi ke sebekhathele ukunganikezwa amathuba omsebenzi abakhona ewadini. Lentsha ilandise ngosizi lokubona abantu bakwezinye izindawo bezosebenza endaweni yabo bona behleli emakhaya.
Inkinga esinayo lathina as Ward 12 usibona si youth sikanje. Most opportunities avelayo la, programs, projects asiwatholi la. There's people from other wards, people from other areas abazayo la bazosebenza thina sihlezi graduate si unemployed la. Patrollers wethu ababa recognize ezikoleni kuze abantu singabazi ukuthi babuya kuphi baze bazosebenza. Teachers assistant wethu sinabagibela ama-taxi bayahamba baye Glen singazi ukuthi babuya kuphi. Sinama qualified teachers laba graduate akuthathwa umuntu la. Enye manje into esisiqakayo manje ukuthi bathi there is no budget for our ward.
Now there was a project yele clinic akupendiwa a clinic kuyendliwa yini. There was no one wale community loy atera a clinic, and mind you we do have companies la let it registered, but we are not even given an opportunity to bid for that job yele clinic. Now there are different types of jobs that are coming into the community. We as the community we are unaware of that.
Baqhube ngokuthi angeke bavote kukhetho lasekhaya kulonyaka uma ke isimo singashintshi.
There is no way. It's clear this thing. We are saying as the community of Shawela today, it ends with us. If we don't have a budget for the 10 years, there is no vote. If we don't have a budget, you can't come here today and decide we must vote. We are not going to vote as the community of Shawela because we don't have a budget. The city of Johannesburg must know, as much as we as the community of Shawela, we don't have a budget, they must not even think of us. They must not even think of us. Now we have people, remember, we've been calling councillor to say, councillor, come and see, a small shack. That thing is going to promote a crime. Our kids are going to be raped due to those people.
Kuvalwa amasango emahhovisi kakhansela uma kufika leli qembu lentsha nokuthi uma kufika wesilisa Mumbe otheke uthunyelwe ehhovisi lesifunda kodwa akafuni ukuqoshwa wakhonjwa indlela. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngiseShawela.